What's going on, everybody? Today we will go over the 5-minute opening range trade I took this morning, my total profit and loss for the day, and the spreadsheet for the 5-minute opening range trade that I am kind of tracking. And we will go over my larger time frame charts that I look at, and because I draw areas on those and I kind of bring them into a smaller time frame to look for entries. So we will go ahead and jump into this. The 5-minute opening range trade this morning, I did not get to record. My tick blaze and my rhythmic connection was lagging this morning. It was freezing up. By the time I got everything restarted and back up, I just started trading. I didn't worry about recording it. As you can see on this chart, I did not take it the first time that it broke through because I was restarting it, trying to get everything going. By the time I got it restarted, we was pulling back. I did enter the trade when it broke back through the 5-minute opening range to the upside. I figured we could at least push the VWAP. It was a good trade. I changed my parameters just a little bit on the ATM order. I let it run to take profit, and I definitely got out way too early. As you can see, we definitely pushed up. And looking at the chart, this gray area, that is what I was going to talk about. I'll go over that here in a minute. But anyways, as far as the numbers on the opening range trade, I copy traded it across 5 accounts. The total was $13.40, averaging at about $2.68 an account. Smoking trade, tickled to death with that. If I could just do that every day, I would be thrilled. As far as the TradingView accounts, I did lose one today. I lost a take profit account, being an idiot. It has been a couple of days since I've been an idiot, so it was about time for me to do it again. I hate losing them. I still have 2. This eval is passed. I got 2 other evals. I got an Apex eval I passed today as well, and a My Funded Futures. They have that 50% consistency rule. It's not one day to pass, so I just got about halfway there. But the rest of them was all good profit. A couple here are low on profit, but I am just looking to get a trade day in on them. They're over the payout threshold. I'm just waiting till my days come around. We will go over this spreadsheet. Again, so far, this strategy is working out pretty good. This week, we're off to a great start. 368 in one account, 1840 across all 5. So far, the last 3 weeks, we had one day we did not trade, and one day a losing trade. So we will see how this week plays out. Like I said, I'm going to do this for a month and see how it works. And we will go over this other chart over here. Let me find it. This is a larger time frame that I've got. I've got an hour chart and a 15-minute chart. I draw these great areas. They're areas of interest. I usually do them on an hour chart. Let me blow this thing up here so you can get a better view. I don't know. It's been several days back. I said that I was looking for this one day. It was up in here somewhere to pull back and fill this gap right here. Because, usually gaps do get filled. It just might take you a little while. Well, today was the day. As you can see, we pulled all the way back and filled the gap. These areas worked out well that I drew, these great areas, and I drew them off areas of support and resistance is all I drew them off of. As of course, this bottom one I drew from the top here. This one, we had a little bit of resistance here, and then it pushed through, and of course, support right here and support right here. So I placed one there. Right here, we got resistance, turned into support, kind of support over here, kind of resistance a little bit. We pushed through and turned into support, so I drew one there, and same up here. We got resistance, 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 support. So I kind of draw them and I drag it into a smaller time frame because those are global. They go across all my charts when I draw them. And when I look at a smaller time frame, you can see those areas. Let me shrink this down here. You can see those areas. This morning, we run right up to it and it hit it 3 times. And it failed, and we come all the way down, and we come to this area. So it's kind of what I look for, as in, just support and resistance. I mean, it's pretty simple at drawing them areas. It ain't rocket science. I mean, I like to do it on a larger time frame, a 1 hour, and then I just bring it into a smaller time frame. It kind of gives me an idea of where the market, might want to go, or it might go. Sure, try to keep trading simple. Don't make it hard on yourself. Don't try to overcomplicate it. You get too much stuff on the chart. Sometimes it's confusing, and you get things that, kind of go against each other. One thing's telling you something, other than's telling you something else. There's no sense to make this stuff no harder than it already is. We'll call that it for today. And yeah, hey, thank you all for watching, and I will catch you tomorrow.